In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use a Natwest card reader. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First, you are going to have to set up your Natwest card reader. So go to their website at natwest.com and log into your account page to access the online banking functionalities. Inside online banking, you will be able to go into the security category through the menu at the left side of your screen. Inside security, you will be able to immediately find the using a card reader section. As you can see, they will have instructions on how to order and enable a card reader. Once you have the card reader at hand, click Enable a card reader and you will be redirected to this page where you have to follow the steps presented on screen to authorize your transaction. So all that you have to do is insert one of your cards into the reader, and then when asked to select function, respond on your card reader. When prompted, you will have to enter your card's PIN number and then press OK on the card reader. Afterwards, input the number that is being displayed on the security page on the online banking section, and you will be able to include the card number that appeared on the card reader to confirm and authorize the card. I hope I was able to help you on how to use the Natwest card reader. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.